In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion calendar. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now go to your Notion, go to browse templates, come on here from the search, type in calendar. So there are different calendars for you here. So I'm going to go with the one with weekly schedule. So if you're a student, you can go with the one with all-in-one basic university calendar. So I'm going to type in this. So once I've opened it, I'm going to just type on use templates. So you don't need to actually worry again, since there's a calendar for you to be able to schedule your activities. So I've added up this template. So I'm going to go back and show you why this is really okay. So I'm going to tap on it. So you can see Monday, you can be able to come in and add up whatever you want for Monday. So you can see from the page, like you can add up everything you want actually for yourself. So Monday, Tuesday, it has like a full year for it. So there are lots of other more calendars for you can be able to use as well if you want to do this. So find the best one that suits for how you work and enjoy the very best of it. So if you found this video helpful, I'll see you in the very next video.